All right, guys, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. This video is about my baby registry or welcome box from Amazon, and I'm opening for the first time, so that's my first impressions. It is the first quarter of 2023, and I remember getting one from my last pregnancy for my son and from Amazon. So I'm just curious to find out if it's the same things, if they switch it up, and let's see how it goes. Now, in order for you to get a welcome kit, you have to basically become a Prime be a Prime member, and then also create a registry, completing up to 60% of their categories of the things that they want you to check off or look for within those categories, and to basically have a $10 purchase, whether that could be from you buying something for $10 or more, or somebody that you shared the registry with that purchased it. So either way it counts, and then you just go and claim your box. So this is how it came, like so. Actually, when I did my shower, I don't think it was even at 60% yet, honestly, but I was just about there. I was like 58%. I was like, girl, just complete it, add more things, not complete it, but add more things, and just at least get your box. So it comes up, it says this side up, because actually inside is a gift bag, so that way you know what angle to open it so your things don't fall out. Here's the bag. Here it is, here it is. Cute. All right, on top of the bag was, hope you enjoyed this special delivery. Compliments of Amazon Baby Registry. And what is this? Just promos for certain products. OxyClean, Baby Breeza, Chillax Baby Mood Pro 20%. I don't know what this is. It looks like it's a monitor. And one for skincare, Cetaphil. All right. Now, before I go in looking into this, I don't really remember what's in the last package that I received a few years ago. I know there was definitely a swaddle blanket, but I don't really recall anything else. Maybe a bottle. All right, let's see. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, this is a Swaddle Me Original Swaddle. It wasn't like a blanket like this that I got. I actually had like a muslin blanket. This is the one that you can wrap the baby so that you keep their arms tight so it doesn't startle them when they move their arms up when they're trying to sleep. Okay, thank you. I already have, but I'm gonna definitely add this to my collection. Okay, so this goes up in 3 stages. This is stage 1. So stage 1 is for newborns and babies who can't roll yet. So babies tend to roll around like 16 weeks, typically, milestone. So, okay. Let's see what we have here. I don't know what this is. I have to open this in order to really figure out. Maybe it's a onesie. And it is cute. You know, I'm looking at this, I'm like, I don't think you could specify a particular gender on the box, but I'm having a boy in this, which is just fine. Perfect. And now, some witch hazel. KinderCare Bath Essentials, Noodle and Boo Luxury for sensitive skin. This is a newborn 2-in-1 hair and body wash. And a lotion sampler. They have OxyClean with a free sample. It's a good size. Bessie's Best Lactation Cookie. Oh, okay. Sample here. I don't remember any of this stuff being in the box before, so they definitely changed it up. Aquaphor sample, healing baby ointment. So it's a skin protected sample. Oh, another baby wash. This is from Cetaphil or Cetaphil. J&J sample. Yeah, this is like the ones that you commonly see at the hospital size. Lancinol, breastfeeding samples inside. So it's 2 breast milk storage bags and 2 disposable nursing pads. This is nice. Okay. And this is the last item, and it is a bottle from Philips Advent, anti-colic bottles. All right, so I think it's a nice sample welcome bag, especially if you're just, doing something that you're going to do anyway. So it's a nice freebie, and you get to try different products. I really like the Amazon registry. I feel like it's just easier. Like, for example, I had a duplication in my registry. Not that I put the products in twice. It's just one person just knew what they wanted to purchase for me, but they didn't go through the registry. So somebody else saw the same gift and it was open on the registry, so they purchased it. So after I opened all the gifts and I saw that I had the duplicate, the person who initially wanted to buy it, it was a comforter set, bedding set, that they didn't include the receipt, which honestly, I mean, in my mind, I knew that she was going to get it, but I thought that she was going to get it through the registry. So it was just easier for me to return the one from Amazon. And honestly, it was just like 1, 2, 3. I mean, I brought the box. I didn't have to even bring a box. And the only thing about it, I'm just a little confused as to how they do it, because it says that they wouldn't alert the person who purchased it, but they would give me a credit of like a gift card, an Amazon gift card. So I'll wait to see that. They have 30 days to give it to me. I'll see how that process goes. Other than that, though, I felt it was like it was easier. I didn't have to say, hey, where's the receipt, and then actually go to the store in which they got the item. So anyway, thank you for watching. I really like the welcome box that I received from Amazon. And I remember getting from my last, I got one from Target. I got one from Motherhood store when they had physical stores. I don't think they have stores anymore in my area, at least. And they were pretty much the same. I kind of got bored collecting all these things, but to each his own. You can always throw them in the samples in your diaper bag, or on a trip if you're traveling with your child, So nonetheless, I'm only going to do one this time around. I am 36 weeks pregnant, and I kind of don't have the capacity to go looking around for more welcome bags or the gift registry bags. I already did my registry, and I'm not interested in doing another one. So for what I got, I thought it was worth it. I think they said that the box is worth up to approximately $35 worth of things. I don't know, but nonetheless, I like the swallow the most out of everything that I got. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching.